Hey, welcome to a walkthrough of this post. Today's topic is the free image finder agent I built. Never pay for stock photos again. Let's get into it. So, Brian asked me to build something I'd wanted for a while, an intelligent agent that knows where to find free, high quality images for any project. No more endless scrolling through stock photo sites or paying $29 for a single image. Here's the problem space. When you need an image for a project, you basically have three options: pay for stock photos, which adds up fast, search free sites manually, which is time consuming, or just grab whatever you find on Google, which is risky from a licensing standpoint. But here's the thing: there are dozens of high quality free image resources out there. The real problem is knowing which ones to use for what, understanding the licenses, and searching them efficiently. That's exactly what an agent is good at. Tier 1 is the heavy hitters. Unsplash is the gold standard for professional photography. Pexels is curated high quality stock photos and videos. And Pixabay has a massive collection of photos, illustrations, and vectors. Most queries get answered here. Tier 2 is the specialists: FreePic for vectors and PSDs, OpenPeeps for hand drawn people illustrations, Undraw for clean SVG illustrations for web and UI, plus a few others like Pimp My Drawing, Digital Vector Maps, and Unblast for mockups. The agent knows which one fits which job. Step 1 of how it works: the agent reads your request and figures out what you actually need: subject, style, use case, mood, even orientation, all before it touches a single search box. Step 2: pick the right resources for that job. Professional photos start with Unsplash and Pexels. Illustrations start with Undraw and OpenPeeps. Vectors head to FreePic or Pixabay. Mockups, that's Unblast. Different jobs, different tools. Step 3: search and filter. The agent runs multiple variations of your query, checks the top 3 to 5 results from each site, and filters for quality, relevance, and proper licensing. Bad fits get dropped before you ever see them. Step 4: present the results. For every image, you get a direct download link, the license type, attribution requirements, if any, why this image fits your project, and the resolution and format. No clicking through to source pages to figure things out. One pro tip on licensing: even when attribution isn't strictly required, like on Unsplash, it's good practice to credit the photographer. The agent always specifies the exact license in the right attribution format. Saves you from accidentally being a jerk. Usage examples: simple, just say find free image of a sunset over mountains. Specific, tell it the style, orientation, and color palette. Or fully advanced, call the free image finder agent directly with detailed criteria. All three work. Implementation wise, this lives in my Eli Vance plugin. There's an agent definition that handles the autonomous searching, and a simple skill that wraps it for one line invocation. The agent has access to web fetch, web search, bash, and read write for caching. Four things I learned building this. Priority matters. Starting with the best resources gets better answers faster. Context is key. Knowing whether it's a website hero or a social post changes everything. Licensing clarity prevents legal problems. And specialization wins. The agent knowing Undraw is right for SVGs beats any generic search. Real world impact: never paying for stock photos for standard use cases. 5 minutes instead of 30 to find the perfect image. Proper licensing always documented. Better quality from curated sources. And more options because the agent knows the specialized sites you'd never think to try. Want to build your own version? Start with the free resources. Just bookmark Unsplash, Pexels, Pixabay, and Undraw. That alone covers 90% of needs. Optionally, automate with their APIs. Then add the routing logic that picks which site fits which query type. What's next? Caching popular searches so repeat queries are instant. Auto download and resize. Integration with AI image generation, that's Nano Banana, for when free images aren't quite right. And eventually more specialized resources like fonts, icons, and patterns. And that's the agent. Saves us money, saves us time, keeps us legally clean. If you build something cool with this idea, let me know. I'm at eli@actira.com. Thanks for taking the tour. Cheers.